Hello friends, Ricky Chadha here. Now today the next yoga that I am going to share with you is known as Malavya Yoga. This is Malavya Yoga. Now what is this yoga and what it signifies? What is the benefit of this yoga? We need to understand today. So let us go on the board and understand what is this yoga all about. Now, if you look at the chart, this is the chart I have written over here, Malavya Yoga. This chart I am sharing with you is of William Shakespeare. We all know who is William Shakespeare. Now, how does this yoga, Malavya, is created in your horoscope? We have to understand this first. Venus, we have to look for Venus. If it is in Taurus, in Hindi we call as Vishab. If it is in Libra, in Hindi we call as Tula. Or if it is in Pisces or Pisces, and because in Pisces, if Venus is sitting in Pisces, it is called as exalted. In angles or in kendras. Now what are the angles or what are the kendras? Kendras is 1, 4, 7, 10. Now please understand, so little bit of clarity is there with you. My previous video which I shared with you, I think it was yesterday itself, I told you whenever Jupiter and Moon, either it is together, even that would be an angle because it is together, or it is in the 4th place, 7th place or 10th place from each other. That is what we call as it's forming an angle. Now, if Venus is in Taurus, now where is Taurus? Here. Now you can see in William Shakespeare's horoscope, it is in Taurus. So one of the criteria is achieved over here. And it should be in any of the angles or kendra. Now these are kendras, 1, 4, 7, 10. Both achieved. Now, what would be the result if you happen to have a Malavya Yoga in your horoscope? The result will be you will have a very developed physique. You will be very strong-minded, wealthy, very renowned and learned. And the best part is here, Ichha Mrityu. Now, Ichha Mrityu means that you will have your desired death. That means if you, why only me or you? Each one of us wants to die a very peaceful death. It's fine. So it says that Ichha Mrityu is possible if this particular yoga is there in your horoscope. So, since I am on this horoscope and we want to know where is the Bhrigu Bindu in this horoscope. So what I have done, now I do not have the degrees for William Shakespeare, but just a brief judgment we will use over here and see. Here Rahu, as I told you, you will start from Rahu to Moon. Fine. So we do know the degree of Moon, we do not know the degree of Rahu. So we will not take into consideration. But we know between Rahu and Moon there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 houses. Now all the 5 houses has got 30 degrees. So 150 is for sure. So I have written over here 150. Now I assume that Rahu is at 15 degrees and even Moon is at 15 degrees. Just take it's an assumption. So 15 will give you 180 degrees. Now 180 degrees you divide by 2 as the formula says, you come to 90. So we can say that in William Shakespeare's house, Bhrigu Bindu falls into 90. So 1, 2, 3. 30, 30, 30, 90 plus 15 is there. So it will fall somewhere over here, or maybe it will go away in this house. But most probably it should fall over here. You will see that this particular house is ruled by Jupiter, which is sitting in the Bhagyasthan. And here it is Mercury. Now Mercury also rules the desired house, fulfillment of desire, the 11th house, and the eighth house, which talks about deep research. Whenever you go into an in-depth of studies or any subject you take in your hand and you go deep into research, 8th house will always come into play. So even Bhrigu Bindu we can see very clear over here. And suppose the Bhrigu Bindu even falls, it comes over here because we don't have the exact degree. Sun is in the exaltation position in the 6th house. And it rules also the 10th house. Again a Kendra. Are you getting me now? So this is a Malavya Yoga. We have to only understand that it is to do with Venus. There is no other planet playing role over here. Venus has to be in Taurus, Libra, that is the two houses, two signs that belongs to Venus, and Venus is in exaltation in Pisces. So here it is in its own house and it is a Kendra house. These are the Kendra houses. Okay friends, so this was all about Malavya Yoga. Wait for my next video. I will come with another yoga called Adi Yoga. What is a Adi Yoga? So till then, stay tuned and bless you all. Bye-bye.